Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the heart rate accuracy test of our Y68 Smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Josh here again, and welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, so we have the blood pressure accuracy test of our Y68 Smartwatch, and now this time is we're going to have the heart rate accuracy test. Alright, so let's try first guys with our Omron blood pressure kit. So let's see if what my heart rate is. Okay. Alright guys, so let's start checking. Alright guys, so as you can see, our pulse rate is 84, or heart rate. So it's okay, so it means it's normal guys. So now let's have our Y68 Smartwatch. So that is again 84 for Omron. So let's check our Y68 Smartwatch result. Guys, this is only for accuracy test, okay? This, I don't recommend you to rely on your Y68 Smartwatch. This is only for curiosity, okay, and for testing. So guys, let's check. So have here the BPM, or the heart rate. So let's check. Alright guys, so our heart rate for our Y68 is 74, and in our Omron it is 84. So let's check again for the second time. Okay, so this time it's 80 guys. So as I can say, this is somewhat the same. Yes, so we have the 84, our Y60 Smartwatch, it's 80 and 74. So guys, I think this is somewhat the same with our Omron, but again, I don't really recommend you to use your Y68 Smartwatch for medical emergencies. So you just have to go to the doctor and then have yourself checked. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just kindly comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.